One of the topmost reasons for women going into infertility issue nowadays is having low egg quality and lower AMH value. Follicular phase, that is from day 6 to day 12, plays a major role to improve egg quality. Some small care and support and tips followed in this phase will help you to improve your egg quality. First thing, avoid foods which are leading you to go into constipation mode. Second thing, take good amount of cruciferous and green leafy vegetables. Third, be into low carb diet. Fourth, ensure to give optimal 9 essential amino acids plant-based protein intake to improve your egg quality. And give liver-friendly foods, avoid anti-inflammatory foods. All these things will definitely help you to improve your egg quality. Share to needy people.